Hey Ron, steep, huh?
Nah.
Nah, he said we've only got another half-hour climb like this. Look at this. It's stunning. There's the crest, I hope, right? Or do we?
Yeah, sort of.
I don't think this is any way that
You ready?
a camera or video can capture the beauty of all of
They
this.
can go first. No, it's okay.
We're at the base of the waterfall, and our brave Tom Kakai is inside of a cave. We won't tell Joy about that. And he hasn't used his walking stick since we've been on this hike. This is a thundering cave. We could go in the water, he said. Woo! Woo-hoo! All right. This is stunning. This is the most treacherous hike I've ever been on. I'm sure some of our friends in Washington would love this. You can hear the waterfall in the back. We're right along the river, but in dense jungle. Actually not jungle, I'd call it forest. And we're looking for a quetzal bird that was spotted by another guide. So that's what we're doing. We're just standing in this beautiful forest. It's very steep, very muddy. Our terrain has been quite treacherous, but worth every minute. There's our guide in the blue shirt. There's Ron. There's Tom. Negotiating. Very steep, slippery, rocky terrain. We're headed down this impossibly beautiful canyon in a rainforest type situation. It's a little muddy, but it's worth it. And we're at another waterfall. No one around except us. We just saw a quetzal bird. And now here we are at the center of the earth again. Oh, there's the waterfall. Our guide is looking for quetzal birds. Is this where they throw the virgins over the edge? Whoa, I don't want to slide down there. Ooh, this is a beauty. It's quite powerful and the steam is rising up. It's really cool here though. It's like totally air conditioned. We're not sweating. It's been a beautiful day. I better not get too close to the edge because this would be treacherous out here. Our guide looking diligently for a quetzal bird. We're out of the rainforest and back into the valley and the open greenery. I think we're done with the mud. Oh my gosh, it takes your breath away. It's so beautiful. I better catch up with the boys. They don't really stop that much to look at all this beauty. That waterfall is still pretty loud in the rushing river. Oh man. Here comes the clouds into the cloud forest. They have a mist here. It's called bajareke. It's just a very fine mist of water that comes in and cools you off. Not that you really need it. I don't think it ever goes above 80 here. ¿Qué es esto?
Fresa.
Oh, strawberries. Fresa. Strawberries are growing here. I guess he tends all the plants. Oh! Fresas. Temprano. Demasiado temprano. Oh, gracias. Oh, look, he brought me a couple of...
pero el muchacho lo...
Oh, okay. Nice little strawberries. They're a little early yet. Let me taste it. Mmm. Mmm. Sabroso. Está listo. Mmm. Muy sabroso. That means delicious. There's his house. We're back to where he lives. This is actually a finca, which is a ranch. It's owned by a woman. I don't know too much about her, but she lets people hike on her property, and this is all her property where we've been hiking. And she even hooked us up with this guide. Definitely need a guide around here.